Hey foodies, welcome back to the AI channel. In today's busy world, we all need quick and healthy dinner options that don't compromise on flavor. So I've got you covered with 5 delicious recipes that you can whip up in just 5 minutes. Yes, you heard it right, quick, easy and nutritious. Let's jump into these speedy dinner ideas. Tips for efficiency. Before you start cooking, a couple of tips for efficiency. Pre-chop your veggies, batch cook ingredients like quinoa or tofu, and keep a well-stocked pantry with staples like canned beans. These little tricks make the cooking process a breeze. Recipe 1. 1-pan lemon garlic chicken with veggies. First on the menu is a 1-pan lemon garlic chicken with veggies. Season chicken breasts with lemon juice, garlic, salt and pepper. Toss in your favorite veggies like broccoli and cherry tomatoes. Roast everything on a baking sheet for a flavorful and hassle-free dinner. Recipe 2. Veggie stir-fry with tofu. Next up, a veggie stir-fry with tofu. Sauté tofu cubes in a hot pan until golden brown. Add a mix of colorful veggies. Bell peppers, snap peas and carrots work great. Season with soy sauce, ginger and garlic. In just a few minutes, you'll have a tasty and veggie-packed stir-fry. Recipe 3. Quinoa and black bean bowl. For a protein-packed option, try a quinoa and black bean bowl. Cook quinoa and mix it with canned black beans, corn, diced avocado and a squeeze of lime. It's a quick and satisfying bowl that's also great for meal prep. Recipe 4. Mediterranean chickpea salad. Let's travel to the Mediterranean with a refreshing chickpea salad. Combine canned chickpeas with cherry tomatoes, cucumber, red onion, olives and feta cheese. Drizzle with olive oil and sprinkle with oregano for a zesty and healthy salad in no time. Recipe 5. Spinach and feta stuffed chicken breast. For a fancy touch, we have spinach and feta stuffed chicken breast. Butterfly chicken breasts, stuff them with a mixture of sautéed spinach and feta cheese. Then secure with toothpicks. Bake or pan-sear for a gourmet dinner that's ready in minutes. There you have it. 5 quick and healthy dinner recipes that you can whip up in just 5 minutes. If you enjoyed these ideas, give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe for more quick and tasty recipes and let me know in the comments which one you're excited to try. Thanks for joining me in the kitchen, and until next time, happy and speedy cooking.